What up, traders and investors? Sumi here with Team Basani, back with another market recap. Today is Wednesday, May 13th, 2026, and we had a bull day. We had a new all-time high here. As you can see, 52-week high. We hit it. We celebrated, and we're really not that far off. And this was an easy trade. I'm not going to lie. Market tried to run down, as they did yesterday. Same thing. They tried it, bought back up. They tried it again, bought back up. Bulls are in the market, and they're not leaving anytime soon. This is kind of one of those things that, like, you just gotta ride the momentum. VIX hanging around 17, 18. You know, I really don't have too much to say about this. They're just gonna keep pushing this higher and higher. The semiconductors are on an all-time tear. Like, Nvidia has been absolutely monstrous. Okay, bottomed out here. We got into positions here, and Nvidia just has been ripping. It has been absolutely ripping. AMD still up as well. And even though this is not ripping on a day-to-day basis, this is still high, okay? This is still holding 450. Another one that ripped today was Tesla. Tesla, we had a lot of movement here today. We rode those calls up. Tesla, we got in, I don't even know, 430, 435. I don't know when we got in. But Tesla was another beautiful bull case. Ran all the way up, did a very good job there. So Tesla, where we rode that up all the way to 450, got out. Yeah, it was a pretty good day. I'm not gonna lie. I had a pretty good day here, and things pushed up, and I'm pretty happy with it. So, had a lot of winners and losers. VNet Group up roughly 27%. Nebius up almost 19%. Okay, Nebius and Biz. That's one I was looking at today, and I didn't jump into it, but NBiz up another leg. And yeah, at the end of the day, this market is just pushing because of semiconductors. Now, losers, Wix went down. Okay, Wix, I love Wix too. Not really looking so good. Wix down a bunch from yesterday, got crushed all the way. Now, Wix went down, came back up, but at the end of the day, you know, it's kind of one of those markets where if you're not with the momentum, you're gonna lose. AIs and semis, Nvidia, AMD, MU, Broadcom, SMCI, ARM, TSM, Taiwan Semiconductor. The semis were killing it. Okay, they are the LeBron James of this NBA stock market. You know, they're just absolutely killing it. Nvidia up over 225. I think we're going to see 230 this week. I think that this is going to go to 230. Bulls are constantly pushing this up. This is not breaking. This is continuously getting bought up here. You see this? Continuously getting bought up. 225 is kind of where it started today. Did not want to break. Thought it was weakening. It did not weaken at all. As far as the Mag 7 goes, Apple touching almost 300 here. Actually did get over 300. Google touching 400 here. Huge rally. Baba. Want to talk about Baba? Boom. Massive rally for our boy Alibaba over here. Ran this up. We're in calls on Baba. We're in calls on Google. We're in calls on Nvidia. Microsoft, a lot of choppy action. Tesla, boom, ran that up. We got calls on those as well. Absolutely amazing. Amazon slowly grinding up. Did a little bit of bullish action today. Back up to 270. We've been higher on Amazon. We've been up to 278. So Amazon is still in a push range. And Meta also did do very well. So a lot of the market is pushing up. Big thing I'm going to say here is that you got to just run with the momentum. So this is just my personal ideas. These are not financial advice. I'm going to give you some plays for tomorrow. NVIDIA, I think that earnings season is here. Go for the 225 in the money call. Okay, go for the 225. Okay, NVIDIA reports in probably 7 days here, I think. IV is creeping up, but it's not crushed yet. So if you want the long gamma into the print, try to go into Friday. AMD is still... AMD is still pushing. I think that AMD can rip up even more. SPY, I think it's going to hit 745, 750. I'm not going to lie. Palantir, I think is going to push down. I think Palantir will push down. I had puts on this. I got out of them until May 15th, but looks like those puts would have been good. And gold, I think gold will be good because it's an inflation hedge. And market's been crazy right now. People staying overextended. I would try to jump into gold. I think the Iran war pushing energy up 8.5%. Yield all over the place. Gold is your inflation hedge. So I think that's good. Tomorrow, May 14th is loaded, okay? We have 241 earnings on the calendar. Klarna is probably the biggest one that you want to look at. After hour, we got Walmart. We've got a lot of different economic data that has hit during the week, CPI and PPI that hit today and yesterday. So I think this is just going to be a very quick bull press all the way up to Friday. I think SPY, we're going to look at technical support at 740. And I think we're going to see 750 here soon. I think we're just going to keep pushing up. So I really don't have much to say. If you guys are not in the group, click the link down below. You've got to check out what we're doing. We are printing. We did 130% today on all of our plays. So I'd love to see you there. That being said, until next time, peace out.